In today's video, I'm going to teach you ChatGPT Pricing Plans 2026. If you're deciding which ChatGPT plan fits your needs, this guide will walk you through the options and help you choose with confidence. We'll look at what you get with the free plan, what upgrades the Plus plan brings, and how the Pro and Advanced plans support more demanding work. By the end, you'll know exactly which tier aligns with your goals and budget. Let's start with the free plan. This tier gives you access to basic ChatGPT features at no cost, making it perfect for casual use. It's great for writing help, brainstorming ideas, and learning assistance. Think quick emails, outlines, summaries, study tips, or creative prompts. Keep in mind that during peak times you may encounter usage limits, which can slow things down or briefly restrict access. That said, the free tier is a solid way to explore what AI can do without any commitment. If you find yourself using ChatGPT regularly, the Plus plan is designed with you in mind. It provides access to more advanced AI models, so responses are typically more capable and nuanced. You'll also notice faster response times and priority access when demand is high, which helps maintain a smooth workflow. For content creation and productivity, drafting articles, polishing social posts, brainstorming campaigns, or accelerating research, the Plus plan generally delivers a more consistent, efficient experience. For professionals, creators, and power users handling complex or high-volume tasks, the Pro and Advanced plans step in. These tiers offer higher usage limits and premium features to support more demanding AI workflows. They're particularly helpful for research, coding, and business tasks where reliability and capacity matter. If your day involves deep analysis, technical exploration, repeated iterations, or large-scale content production, moving beyond Plus can save time and reduce friction. So, which plan should you choose? If you're just getting started or use AI occasionally, the free plan is a smart, no-risk choice. If you're a frequent user or a content creator who values speed, capability, and availability, the Plus plan is a strong upgrade. And if your work depends on higher limits, premium capabilities, and steady performance under pressure, the Pro or Advanced plans are likely the best fit. A simple way to decide is to start free, track how often you hit limits or need faster turnaround, and upgrade when those constraints begin to affect your productivity. Match the plan to your workload, the complexity of your tasks, and the value of your time. Choose the tier that supports your goals today, with room to grow tomorrow.